Yo guys, we embark on a journey today to destroy the markets. Alright, so you'll just subscribe, like, I'll catch you all later. Yo guys, price is a bitch today. You can clearly see, it's just violated us too many times. But it's alright, that was a really sweet spot, but I guess just price just wanted to fake us out here. It didn't actually go over that 5-minute resistance area, which I was waiting for price to push through. So that's why I brought my stop loss close and literally up to just below the wick, because I knew that if price went through there, it wouldn't actually rebound off there for two reasons. Is because it's in London session, and London session, they don't really do liquidity grabs between the 30-minute span. That's one. And two is it was in a downtrend and it didn't even break through the resistance area. So that's why I put my stop loss closer. And we can clearly see that this white line here, I actually forgot to name it. It was actually supposed to be where my original stop loss was. So we can clearly say that this was a valid trade, not because we won, but because we cut our losses. Places like literally, if price hits the monthly opening right here, we may go in for another buy. And if price doesn't, we may just wait for New York. It really just depends, really. It's London. If price breaks through here without no higher highs, so to speak, then we can just say that we're gonna wait till New York, which honestly is a pretty good option. So we don't have to be worrying and stressing if we have to hop in or not. We can just wait till New York, because price hopefully takes a while just to get to this monthly open price. And then we should be looking at least for a retracement on New York. If it doesn't, then price is actually just mad.
I want to buy into this.
Yo guys, we are sitting like L's, making this very strategic move of buying right here. And if price just says fuck you to me, then I don't know if I should call it a day today or if I should just keep trying. I'm not too sure. Okay, it looks like it's pushing pretty well. It is getting close to 35 as well. So the last minute price pushes up. You know what? We want price to break through that 50% retracement, right? Break through that bitch, retest on that bitch, even range on it. Range on that 50% retracement, and then break through and break the structure. And once we can do something like this, guys, that's how we know we're good. If price doesn't do this, then we're looking kind of bad. We're having a very tight stop loss because price still doesn't look like it's broken any type of structure whatsoever. So this can literally just still continue to the downside. So we're just looking for price literally just to come up, probably just retest here, boom, like that. We just want a sustainable uptrend. And once price has gone a decent amount away from our entry price, that's when we can conclude that price is gonna go up, because we will believe that New York is gonna carry it to the top. It all depends on what price does now. Price is kind of just looking like it's could get back down and continue the trend. I'm hoping for there to be at least a few buyers in here. Doesn't look like so.
Who is behind this goddamn market today? This is some big guy, some big boy behind this market.
Yeah, it's not looking too good, guys, but it could just retrace here. So we're just gonna hold, check out how it is, see what's happening. And if price just chooses to break through, then we just go learn a lesson right here, which is probably just to call it, call it a day. Sorry guys, kind of made a flower while looking at price. What we're expecting, guys, is at least price rejecting here. Nope. Okay, it's someone really is pushing this down, which is crazy. Absolutely crazy. Right now price is looking beautiful because it's holding itself. If it forms into a red candle, I'll actually love this, because it just shows that price has already gone back for the retracement, and then the next candle could be just the push up. Right now I like how price is holding it. We just don't want price pushing down in the last minute.
It has to break to make progress. If it doesn't, we're still on this downtrend no matter what.
Now, but what's happened now is that price has two monthly open prices that it's going through, meaning it's going to have multiple resistance plus the monthly plus the 50% retracement. This is a good chance for price to push up, is what I'm saying. Of course, price does these outliers sometimes, but usually price is going to keep pushing up sustainably. And if it doesn't, then it's just one of those L's that you just take because this price is acting up. Since it's done this small good move, I think price is going to continue on. The only reason why it's going to be a bit hard, because price still hasn't broken that 26086 area, which is annoying. This is what you can clearly see here. We're in this trade. Price is currently coming back for a retracement, or just coming back just to technically just probably just getting the buyers out, or just anything like that, or could just be faking the sellers, so to speak. So we're on the buyer's side. We're going against the trend. I know how crazy it sounds, but we're cool. I think we're gonna win this. I think this is a good trade. If we lose, it is what it is. At the end of the day, we did still cut our stop loss in half, so I think it's a dub either way. Price just needs to break this area, guys. Price just needs to break this area. Yo guys, in conclusion, we took another L right here, but obviously my ultimate cutting skills now have increased to 80. As you can see here, I literally got a 3 pip stop loss, and I would have been taken out already. As I saw price with a lot of momentum push down, I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna get out. Obviously, when I got out, price started pushing up a bit, but I was like, this is what usually happens at the very low end. The reason why I also got out in these cases is because just look at the 1 hour. Price came up for a little bit just to get the halfway to push down. Like, it didn't look like it was it wanted to push up. It didn't feel like it wanted to push up. The 4 hour is kind of the same as well. Like, I actually thought the 4 hour was actually better because look at this huge movement here. Like 10 pips price move for the wick, yet it still wants to push down. So it's a bit unfortunate that price did that. So yeah, we literally saved 10 pips. We saved one whole trade from this. So this should have equaled one trade, but something to do with my DX trade broker or something like that. I only lost around 140 instead of 125. It was supposed to be 125 from the pips amount, but I think price here took out too much because I let it hit my stop loss. For this one, I took out early. So like, those are the two things. I maybe, like, once I become profitable, I will be entering in new skills, but right now I'm just gonna be patient, probably wait till New York, see if I can see any good entries, possibilities, just to, you know, just to come back, really, to be honest. But besides that, guys, you know, we took an L, and as soon as price hits this original stop loss, we would have actually saved 10 pips from this, which is really good. We're catching this trend here. I thought price usually came down here just to settle a bit, but price just looked like it wanted to come down, and I said if the price pushed down below here, I would get out. Got out in this instance, just a bit lower, just to give price a little bit of room, but in the end, price just wanted to push down. So I was like, you know what, I'm out. And now price is obviously breaking all structures. You know, me and Raiden didn't have such a great day today, but it's all right. You know, shit happens. When this happens, I'm happy because I should have actually lost 2 trades, but in the end, I only lost 1. That's a good thing about cutting losses. The only bad thing about cutting losses, like I said, guys, is if right now price literally comes here and pushes up. That's the only problem. So it's a bit of a risky thing right now because price can literally push up from here, and it wouldn't have been useful for me to cut my loss. But I think price is still going to push down. I'm just thinking of extra strategies. Like in this certain scenario, price pushed down for like literally, I think it was 2 days now, pushed down like literally like 2,000 pips or 200 pips, one of them, and still going down. So from this, I was just thinking if price was to, like, if I was to get out here, I should have actually entered in a sell somewhere here, you know. What? And just try to do like a really small move. Yo guys, so that's all the trades I took for today, and I was supposed to lose $250. In the end, I only lost $150, so that's saving $100. That's a dub. No, I'm joking, I don't know. I got a Discord community in the description below. Go just check that out, and I'll catch you on the next video, or probably in the next live call. Peace.